well, and into Wyoming right now as well. But we're going to see things change, and this is really going to fill in as we move throughout the evening. I-15, by the way, over here in Idaho, portions of this shut down already due to the storm that extends all the way to the Montana line. So definitely take it easy if you're traveling throughout those parts. It's not going to be possible, actually, on the road there through that stretch of interstate. So we'll see things fill in as we approach the midnight hour. Cheyenne, Wyoming, Denver gets kind of a wintry mix, which is over to snow briefly. Not a big blockbuster event for you in Denver, but could slow you down, and the temperatures are going to come crashing down along with it. Tomorrow afternoon, still dealing with the snow in the Dakotas and through portions of Nebraska now. We will still see that snow falling in the Dakotas, even as we get into the early morning hours Friday, and lasting in some cases all the way through Saturday, I believe, in North Dakota, eventually working its way into Minnesota as well. So Friday, 9 o'clock, still going strong there in and around Bismarck. We will see maybe as much as 2, maybe 3 feet of snow in pink as we approach the Canadian border, Nick. So on the southern end of this, that's where we're expecting to see the storms really start to fire up.
This time of year, you can get, a little bit of both, a wintry side. You can get the stormy side of this storm. That's what we're anticipating. So let's turn down to Oklahoma City, where we expect to see some storms firing up this evening. Yeah, the stage is set for thunder, lightning, continuing into the overnight hours. Slight chance that some of these storms could turn severe. We're going to show you where we anticipate seeing that. I know it looks great out there now, but we are watching for that potential, particularly southwest of Oklahoma City into North Texas, including the Wichita Falls area. But this is a widespread area where we could continue to see thunderstorms. We've already seen some in Kansas, in Missouri, coming through the area. Still some lightning in that area. So we're still watching for those storms to develop back toward the west and the south. Now, according to this model, the high-res future radar showing you the storms could really rear their ugly heads by about 9 o'clock this evening in portions of North Texas and up through Oklahoma, too. And then continue to progress eastward, dumping more rainfall into Kansas. Kansas City could see some of that toward morning. So we're watching for more of the same into tomorrow, and in an area that's actually much bigger, encompassing areas from north of Dallas and Fort Worth up through Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Joplin, Missouri, all in line for this, and an area that we're also watching for the possibility of tornadoes. Yeah, there's a 3 in 10 chance of seeing that in southwestern Iowa and northern Missouri. So Torcon already up for this region for tomorrow, within a 50-mile radius, seeing the possibility of a tornado. Watch the future radar here as lines of thunderstorms develop. Look at this. Through Oklahoma, Kansas, down into Texas, and then we'll continue to see that strengthen and move farther toward the south, across Oklahoma, and then more developing around the St. Louis area, too. So a lot of rain from this could dump, so much so that we see some flash flooding. Watch out for multiple threats here. Stay tuned for more on this and other stories coming up on Weather Underground.